So it has been a cold couple of last days. I haven't been able to clean the cars or do anything. And of course, my kid makes a giant mess in the back seat in the Jeep. So I got to clean that up, and I was going to wash it, but I'm out of car wash. And on a good note, GloveBox showed up. So let's check out what's inside. GloveBox brought to you from my kitchen counter because it is nice and sunny outside. I know that doesn't make sense, but since it's been pretty cold, all the neighbors decided that today is a perfect day to mow their lawn, so for me to shoot a video outside is almost impossible. Anyhow, I got it all cut open and I'm ready to open it up and show you what's inside, guys. Let's do this.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
I never unpackaged it with you.
No, you didn't.
I only got to see your videos.
I know. All right, I'll let you read the card.
All right. David, even when the seasons change, our monthly commitment to delivering premium product won't. Thanks for being part of the GloveBox experience.
Hey, it's
Proud
true.
of Jason.
It's true. It is cold outside.
Seasons are changing faster than I would like it to.
Yes, I agree. And we have a big GloveBox sticker. All right, World Class Care, the rag company. I'm always excited to find these in the GloveBox. Do you want to feel it since you love microfibers as much as you love it?
You are like a microfiber hoarder.
I know, and you hate them. This one feels, this is like for non-paint surfaces.
Oof.
Yeah.
It's that feeling. I don't know what it is.
How about this one? How about this one? There's another one. There you go. Try
I like
this
the
one.
color. It's just in season for like fall.
Yeah.
You know, like a fall, like leaves turning red. I'm getting girly on this.
All right, so we have.
I like. Oh, okay. This one I can handle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is for paint though. This is the type that goes for paint. All right, so we have two microfibers, and then we obviously have something from Sonax, and this is application sponge. That's kind of cool. All right, so something's telling me that there's going to be something in here for the paint. Because,
is that soap?
Huh?
Is that soap?
No, that's like wax or whatever. So this is for wax or whatever product that you're putting onto paint.
What's the white side for?
Grip, I guess. Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah. I'm excited to try that. All right, so the first one, let's see. We have Mad Cow Candy Bath. Look at this! A car wash and wax.
Can I smell it?
You can smell it. Does it smell like candy?
I don't know.
I'm just kind of curious. Why do you have a spray top on it? But whatever.
It smells pretty good, actually.
Oh my god, it does. You know what it smells like?
Let me smell. It smells like a nail polish.
I was about to say that. It smells like a sweet version of a nail polish. So, okay, I'm kind of curious to try this. Do I use the spray though? Do I? Does it work? I'm not going to try it now. Anyhow, that's perfect. All right, we got, I don't have to go get Jeep shampoo or shampoo for the Jeep. Adams Interior Detailer. Okay, this, I know you're going to love the way this smells. Anything from Adams smells insane.
It's very subtle, but I like it. It's not too sweet.
Yes. You want me to spray it so you can smell it?
Use it as a perfume.
Yeah.
Gee, thanks.
All right, last but not least, depth charge from Limitless Car Care. So I'm assuming this is something with paint. All right, we're gonna read the card, but I gotta smell this too. Ooh, yes, it's gotta be for paint. Look at this.
Oh, wow.
It's nice and thick.
Oh, wait, it has the description on the
yeah,
back.
it does.
Okay. So which one is this?
All right, so this is the Limitless Car Care Depth Charge. What does it say?
One of the easiest on-off applications to bring back the depth of your paint.
There you go.
No floaties required. I like that.
Okay. All right, so this is obviously a paint shine restorer, I guess you could say, right? Then we have, what's the red one? One's from the Rag Company. What's the red one?
Out of Fiber Korean Plush 350. Wax off. Super soft and gentle, this plush microfiber is perfect for removing the depth charge.
Wait, do that again.
Read it again.
Just the last part.
This plush microfiber is perfect for removing the depth charge.
All right. Actually, you should be doing the modeling. I should be reading.
That's okay.
All right.
We'll do it next time.
Okay. All right, so this is Sonax.
This is the Sonax. Okay, wax on, perfect for even application of your limitless depth charge.
There you go. So that's the whole package right here. And then obviously Adams, you could go ahead and read the Adams because Adams.
Goodbye odors and dust. Hello UV protection.
Oh.
That is awesome.
Oh, UV protection. Okay.
I like that.
That I like too.
Cool.
By the way, your window tint came in for the Jeep just right now.
Perfect. More UV protection.
Yes, and then the Mad Cow.
Okay, a sweet smelling and sudsy shampoo with a wax component to deeply enhance your paintwork.
Okay, there you go. Yeah. And that is what's in the box.
Wait, the Rag Company, Edgeless 300, you forgot that one. It's Romeo and Juliet Edgeless 300 and Adams Interior Detailer.
Wait. We have to do this. Wait, ready? Go. Start again.
Romeo and Juliet Edgeless 300 and Adams Interior Detailer. Some things just go together.
I have to do this. I'm gonna say, you know what's crazy? It's like they keep tabs on like when we wash cars and what we need and the products that we need and things that we need because like I was gonna wash the Jeep and I'm out of soap.
That is perfect timing.
So that is perfect timing. And once again, you have completely curated products. There you go. So here is the coupon codes. So here you go guys, an awesome box from the GloveBox. I'm super excited to try this stuff and hopefully it'll warm up for me to use this stuff. And I'm ready to go wash the Jeep actually right now. It's kind of sunny outside, so I might start using this stuff now. If you guys haven't checked out gloveboxdetail.com, make sure that you do. And if you are gonna subscribe, use the coupon code Mohawk for 20% off. If you like these videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel.
Give a thumbs up.
And share. Thanks GloveBox, and we'll do another video next month. Thanks for watching guys, later.